Structured automation needs a powerful execution environment. That environment is 1SCRIPT Studio. 1SCRIPT Studio is ZAPTEST's unified scripting and orchestration workspace. It is where automation scripts are reviewed, refined, executed, and optimized within a governed, enterprise-ready framework. Automation scripts generated in Plan Studio are transferred directly into 1SCRIPT Studio. Here, users review AI-generated scripts, validate business logic, and update workflows as needed. This ensures automation accuracy while maintaining structured design. 1SCRIPT Studio supports hybrid automation flows across web applications, legacy desktop systems, mobile platforms, APIs, SOAP and REST web services, and backend systems and databases. UI interactions, API calls, data validations, and business logic can be combined into a single reusable execution model. Scripts can be executed directly within 1SCRIPT Studio for immediate validation. And with integrated AI Copilot, users receive real-time assistance, whether generating new steps, refining logic, or troubleshooting issues. AI accelerates development. Users maintain full control. 1SCRIPT Studio enforces modular design and parameterization, delivering reusable components and scalability. It transforms automation from isolated scripts into structured enterprise execution assets. 1SCRIPT Studio refine, execute, and scale automation with precision.